Hello everyone, it is Tropics WX here with another video. This is the Southwest Indian Ocean, Cyclone season 25 to 2026 season. 2025 to 26. And we have severe tropical cyclone, or severe tropical storm, Cranston, I think it is. First. Chant. So we have severe tropical storm chant here. So obviously this is gonna be a short one because we can't provide any updates on Earth. That's how we did the last time when we had our B name storm. But it is positioned. I actually do have the website. Positioned 10.4 south and 63.4 east at the 4 o'clock on October 22nd. 430 kilometers northeast of Reunion Coast. Southwest at 50 miles per hour, which I don't know what it is. Let's look. Shall we? About 9.3. Oh, it is. Yeah, right there. 9.3 right there. You see that? 9.3. No, they did that. Anyway. So what's going on with the storm? Well, it is gonna be life threatening situations to tame the Pacific Beak and island right here. So yeah. Make sure you listen for follow-up statements and warnings and all that crap. Make sure you listen to your local government when it comes to this situation. And yeah, this is Tropics WX signing out, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Stay safe, everyone, and bye.